Okay guys, if it is your choice to set Chrome as default browser on your Windows 11, then here's a video for you. So here, I'm going to show you how to easily set Google as default browser over Microsoft Edge on your Windows 11. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to set Chrome as your default browser on Windows 11, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the Start button, select Settings. Now, once you've selected the Settings app on your Windows 11, you can come to where you see Home, locate and click on Default if it's available here. Otherwise, go ahead and click on Apps on the left side here. Once you selected Apps, locate and click on Default Apps. Once you selected Default Apps, come to where you see Search Apps and search for Chrome. Now, once you search for Google Chrome here, you should see Google Chrome pop. Select it. Once you selected Google Chrome, then you should say make Google Chrome your default browser. You can also set default file links or file types. So go ahead and select set default. Once you selected set default, then you should see your Chrome browser set as default. When next you try to open any link on any website or any application on your Windows 11, it's going to open using the Chrome browser. Then if you come here, you should see Microsoft Edge. If you click on that, you can also select which application opens here. Instead of setting it to Microsoft Edge, just set it to Google Chrome. Come to PDF, select it, select whatever application you want to use to open PDF files on your Windows 11, and then set as default. Then you should see it here. Then you want to repeat this for all the options you have here. So that's exactly how to set Chrome as default browser in Windows 11. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.